Alright, so this is a 2-bedroom unit. This is a corner unit, 48.20 square meters. So, sobrang lawak niya. And this is your kitchen area. Yan siya. Tsaka may upper and lower cabinets na din. And yung water, okay na rin. Yung water natin, naka Maynilad yan. And then, yung electricity is in Meralco. Ayan. Naka-grease trap na rin siya. And sobrang spacious niyan yung living room natin, this area. And wala siyang obstructions. Ganda lang view. May natural light, kita mo ang city view. May mga provisions na rin for the aircon. Ayan. Tapos ito yung pinaka common CR. Complete fixtures na rin. And then this is your laundry area. And dito tayo sa first bedroom, which is the master's bedroom. Ganyan ang lawak niya. Same. May mga provisions sa aircon, then may city view, natural light, and may private bathroom pa. Yan. Then, dito lang tayo sa second bedroom, this one. Ayan. Sobrang maaliwalas to. And ang kagandahan sa property na to is sobrang transit-oriented. Nandito lahat ng sakayan, walking distance lang din sa LRTV Mapan, Poresa. And also sa SM Santa Mesa as well. Yan, kita mo yung dyan stop and shop. May mga establishments tayo dyan, commercials, Starbucks, KFC, Jollibee, Mr. DIY, mga banks natin, BDO, BPI, RCBC, Watsons, Mercury, Mang Inasal, Cebuana. So, andito na lahat po, malapit sa mga schools, PUP, URM, and any other schools, and also mga hospitals. So, if you are interested in rent to own here in Covent Garden in Santa Mesa, kindly message me. Thank you.